Welcome back to Phinys Garage. I'm Gray, and this is part 2 of working on the bottom half of the 99 Mitsubishi Montero. I know it looks ugly, it's rusting, it's just surface rust, it's no big deal. But we sanded this entire side down because for whatever reason, we could not get the adhesive off of the doors and the fender themselves. Like, it literally just wouldn't come off. You can maybe kind of see it. No, I'm pretty sure I got it all off. It's been a while, so it's starting to rust because I did take it down to bare metal. And I don't really want that, and it is getting into the colder seasons, so it won't be ideal for painting. So it's a really warm day today. What we're going to do is I'm going to sand off all of this back down to bare metal. Then we're going to use some body filler and patch this little divot here. I'm going to have to end up taping this off because we cannot take this side skirt off. It's going to be a pain, but it's okay. We'll make it work. That rear splash guard thing there, the door, running board, this door, the fender, that splash guard, we'll prime it all, and then we'll paint it and sand it, and then we'll clear it. Should look pretty good. It's a lot of work, but it's what we should do before it gets really cold and freezing outside. This isn't the proper mask that you should be wearing, but it's all I have. It's better than nothing, because the last thing I want to do is be sucking up all of that paint particles into my system, because I did this last time. I didn't wear a mask last time, and paint was just in my nose, and I was all congested. It was terrible. Don't want to experience that again. So it's all we got. Let's make it work. Normally, I would just leave this the way it is because we've already primed and painted it, but I didn't do a good job last time, because if you scratch it with your fingernail, the paint comes right off. That's not good. That means the surface wasn't prepped well. As I stop here to put a new pad on the sander, I want to show you guys where we're at. So we got this door totally sanded down. Got the area where we had the rust hole sanded down. Now we just have this door, the fender up there, and then I'm gonna wait on the fender itself to sand that down until I get this done, because this is a large area and I don't want to have more than one project running at the same time. So let's put the pad on the sander, finish off this door.